In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your display name in Claude AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the setting, how to update it, and how to confirm it worked. Your display name is what Claude uses to greet you and reference you in conversations. Changing it won't affect your login, billing, or email. This is simply about how Claude addresses you in chats. Start from the Claude interface. Look toward the lower left corner of the screen and click your profile. It's the small avatar or initials that open your account menu. This is where you'll find quick access to your account options and preferences. If you're on a desktop browser, it's almost always anchored to that bottom left area, so it's easy to spot. From the Profile menu, click on Settings. This takes you to the main configuration page for your account. Settings are organized into sections, so you can quickly manage things like account details, preferences, and other general options that control how Claude behaves for you. In the General section, look for the field labeled, "What should Claude call you?" This is the specific place where you control your display name. Think of it as your preferred way to be addressed. It could be your first name, a nickname you're comfortable with, or a professional name you use at work. The key is choosing something you're happy seeing in greetings and references during your chats. Type your preferred name into that field. Keep it clear and simple, especially if you use Claude in professional settings. Shorter is usually better, and sticking to standard characters helps ensure everything displays correctly across devices. You can change this anytime, so don't worry if you want to refine it later. When you're ready, click Save Changes. This step is important. Your new display name won't stick unless you save. After saving, you should see confirmation in the settings page, and your changes will be applied to new conversations going forward. To verify it worked, click New Chat. In the fresh conversation, Claude should greet you using the name you just set. If you don't see the update right away, give it a moment and make sure the change was saved. You can always return to settings and adjust the name again if you want to fine-tune it. That's all there is to it. Click your profile, open Settings, set what Claude should call you, save your changes, and start a new chat to confirm. Enjoy a more personal, polished experience every time you use Claude.